Hi students, good morning. How are you all? Hi, fine, good morning. Nitya, Chandana, Prakriti, and Tejaswini, Amina, Lavanya, Chandana, Ritya, Lakshmi, Rufia, Likita, Namrata, Amina, Pratibha. Good morning. How are you all? Are you doing well? I hope so. Yes. Yes, we have started with the drug addiction. Not a very nice chapter to study. But anyway, to develop awareness, you need to study. I am good here. I am fine. I am very fine. I am enjoying the lockdown. Okay. You're all enjoying lockdown, I think. Right? Fine. Okay, fine. So we had started with the drug addiction, right? And one thing I wanted to remind you that I had not given you the other effects of alcohol on other organs. Only I talked about the cerebrum, the nervous system. Prakriti actually reminded me, but I couldn't, I forgot actually. So after drug addiction, I'll give you about the alcoholism also, then we will finish this. Is it fine? Is it fine, Zara? Okay. That day Prakriti reminded me, but just I forgot just like that. Just I started yesterday with the drug addiction. Actually, we have to continue with that. Complete the effect of alcohol on the liver and the gastric system, alimentary canal, and taste buds and everything. Okay, we'll discuss that after this. Let me finish this. Is it fine? Yesterday we were talking about which type of drugs. One group we have finished, second group we had started. What are the first type we finished? We finished one type, right? What are those? They are called opioids. Opioids, opiates. Yeah, opiates or opioids are same, right? They developed from which type of plant? Which plant they developed from? Name of the plant. Opiates are produced from which plant? Come on, let me see. It's Papaver somniferum. Correct, dear Prakriti. They were produced from Papaver somniferum. We call that as opium poppy also. Afim. Actually, opium poppy is afim. Okay. So in that I gave you different types. Can you name the types of opioids or opiates I gave you? Do you remember them? Opium, then yeah, opium is right. Next, morphine, yes, heroin, morphine, and smack, right? Good. You remember that. Heroin and smack, right? What they do actually, what is the function of all opioids? What they do actually? Heroin and morphine, what they induce? What is their function? If at all a person takes them, what happens to him? Analgesics, yeah, correct. They are painkillers and they induce sleep. Sudipta, correct. Drowsiness, sleep. They can't look fresh, right? Whenever you get up, yeah, lethargy. See, always you see the people who are taking drugs or alcoholics or smoking people and all, when they are waking up, they are not having that interest only, right? Have you seen any people? Okay, just let us talk generally because anyway, we are finishing the things faster, right? So generally, you think the people who are smokers or they are the alcoholics, they can't, whenever they get up, always they'll be waiting for an opportunity to take them. Yes or no? They always be wanting one opportunity. When I'll go, when I'll consume, loss of weight will happen. Yes, correct. So that's why any type of drugs or alcohols are talking about, they're all unnatural. They can't look fresh. They can't look happy all the time. Only when they take the drugs, and will be they'll be happy. That unusual characteristics. Sterility. Correct, Sanjay? Correct. Sterility. Okay. Now after that, I started with another one. They're called stimulants. So stimulants, what are the types I told you? Stimulants. Stimulants means the energizers. They increase your power. You feel that I got a lot of power, I can do anything. The Superman kind. That's called the high, developing high, right? Feeling high. Okay. One of them is caffeine. You have written already about caffeine. Tea. Listen, caffeine is found in tea also. It is found in cocoa also. Understand first thing. Wait till the talks. Okay. Listen. Caffeine content is found in tea. Some percentage I given you. Even in coffee and also in cocoa. Cocoa is also containing some amount of caffeine. Right? So I'll give you something about cocoa right now. You observe what I'm explaining you about the presence of the caffeine content in cocoa, right? So caffeine is the name of the content. Okay, theine also. Theine is actually not a drug, it is a coloring agent. It's a tannin. Are you getting it, Dhruti? Theine is a tannin. It gives color. You can see after drinking tea, teeth and all become reddish color. It's a coloring agent, right? Sometimes that color they use it for so many other things. Mainly application they use, right? Theine. It is a coloring agent. It's a tannin. Tannin is a coloring agent. Okay, fine then. So let's now talk about the other one. That's about the cocoa. Cocoa, what you get in Coca-Cola, right? Coca-Cola, that is cocoa containing some caffeine in that, right? So because I told you yesterday also, cocoa also containing Coca-Cola, how much will be caffeine present in it, right? So let me give you what is that plant from which cocoa is produced, right? Cocoa is a bitter powder which contain caffeine also. Let me give you the name of the plant that is producing cocoa. Okay. So coming to the plant cocoa, it's actually produced from the plant Theobroma cacao. Cacao, because the cacao, that is cocoa. Actually, the name of the plant they will ask you. Theobroma cacao, that is from family Sterculiaceae, right? Theobroma cacao. It's also called the cacao plant. Cacao plant. See, this is different from cocoa plant. Cocoa, we call it commonly in Coca-Cola, they're using it. But actually speaking, it is called as a cacao plant. Seeds of the cacao plant. You don't call it as Coca-Cola plant. It is called as cacao. C-A-C-A-O. Cacao. Right? This is the plant which is producing, this is the plant Theobroma cacao. It is producing, it is a brownish colored and it contains caffeine. And it is used in Coca-Cola. Right? That is caffeine is present in Coca-Cola also. But the name of the plant is, this is different, which is put in the, your chocolate bars also, they put this cocoa. Right? They call it cocoa, but it's actually biologically cacao. We should say word cacao because cocoa is also another one which is bitter in taste. This is slightly brownish in nature, light bitterish in nature, and this is used in Coca-Cola as well as in the chocolate bars. Chocolate bars they use cacao, right? So that is what that will give you that bitterish taste. Some strong brown chocolates you take, they'll be somewhat bitter in taste because of the presence of cocoa in this. Cocoa we call it, but actually should be called as cacao, right? Fine. So write down another thing. Continuation of that. Continuation of the earlier one. I think you have written last class about the content of caffeine in Coca-Cola drink. Have you written last one? In Coca-Cola drink, I think. What is the last sentence you have written? Yeah, it is the amount of caffeine in Coca-Cola. Write down. Cacao plant. Cacao plant. Cacao plant is biologically called Theobroma cacao. Theobroma cacao. Board. Yeah, that's okay. You write next sentence. 20 cups of okay coffee is right. Fine. Next you write. Next sentence you write. cacao plant, biologically called Theobroma cacao, contain caffeine in it, and this cacao is used in the chocolate bar. This cacao is used in chocolate bar and Coca-Cola beverage. Written. Excessive intake of coffee or caffeine. Excessive intake of coffee or caffeine. Yeah, you have written already. Excessive intake of coffee or caffeine on empty stomach. Leads to the formation of stomach ulcers. Okay, written. Next one, withdrawal symptoms. Withdrawal symptoms and then what do you mean withdrawal symptoms? Any idea? Withdrawal symptoms and then side effects alla barattade. Withdrawal symptoms andre suppose they stop it, or if they will not, they don't get the particular drug at right time. Andre yaru addict agirtalla or drug sigde idre they will get some symptoms. They are called the withdrawal symptoms. Okay, good. Nisarga is right. When drug intake is stopped, correct. When drug is not available, then they get some craving for that. That is about the withdrawal effect. Right on. Withdrawal effects. These are the type of symptoms observed in drug addicts. During non-availability of drug. Non-availability of drug. Major withdrawal symptoms of caffeine are headache, disturbed sleep, and craving for caffeine. Disturbed sleep and craving for caffeine. Okay, now I'm going to talk about cocaine. Okay, cocaine we discussed, we have stopped there only actually, that I'll give you now. Cocaine is a kind of drug, white colored crystallized drug it is. I'll just write the details of that on the board, just observe. Okay, this is different and cocaine is different. Okay, cocaine is extracted from actually the plant Erythroxylon, coca. This is a different plant. Erythroxylon coca produce cocaine. Cocaine is a white crystalline bitter powder. It is white colored. It is a crystalline and bitter powder. Bitter powder, then when it is extracted from the plant, and this cocaine is taken in different forms, right? Normally it is smoked, or it can be just inhaled, or it may be injected also. Different forms they take it, cocaine. But cocaine has a very high problems of stimulation. Within 2 to 10 seconds, they will get high. High in the, they get energized. And after within 15 to 20 minutes or 1 hour, they'll come back again to the normal condition. They start craving for it. Means once they had taken, within no time they become, go to the another energized world, right? Some people will take this for improving their performances in sports, right? So suddenly their performance will increase high, right? And after that, once they stop it or their effect comes down, they want again more content of this, right? Therefore, the craving starts for cocaine. It's very harmful, right? Write down cocaine. It is extracted from the plant Erythroxylon coca. This was asked 2 years continuously for 1 mark question. 2 years, put it as a 1 mark question in main examination. Erythroxylon coca. Next point. Cocaine is a white crystalline bitter powder. Next. It is taken in the form of injection, drink, chewing, or sniffed. Not in, it is not smoked actually. It's not a smoked one, right? It is sniffed, inhaled andre sniffing andre moogal itkontare anta, right? Sniffed. Sniffed andre hinge itkonbiಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಮೂಗಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ, inhaled or sniffing ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಮೂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನಶ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ, ಹಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. That's how I have seen it whenever they are shown it on the some of the videos and all. This is very dangerous one. That's why I just am giving you, but don't have to develop interest in this. Okay, fine. Written, sniffed, chewed, injected, or taken in the form of drink. Next, effects. Okay, effects. Cocaine increases the mental alertness. Increase the mental alertness. Acts as energizer. Acts as energizer. Energizer. There is loss of appetite. There is loss of appetite andre ಊಟ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, appetite, and there is high craving for cocaine. High craving for cocaine. It is used to increase the performance in sports. along with crack, CRACK, ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ಅದು crack ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಸ್ಟಿಮ್ಯುಲೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, along with crack. Next, right side reading, crack, CRACK, crack. It's a type of cocaine derivative. It's a type of cocaine derivative that is smoked. Cocaine derivative that is smoked. Should I repeat, Prakriti? Which one you want me to repeat? From where you have stopped? It is used by the sports people to improve their performance. Yeah, it is used to increase the performance by sports people. My words will change because I'm just so many times, just few points I will read it, otherwise I'm explaining. Just you write as I'm saying. Increase the performance by sports people along with crack. Along with crack ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೊಕೇನ್ ಅದು, along with crack. ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ? Okay, done. Next, crack. Say reading, crack. CRACK. It is a derivative of cocaine. It's a derivative of cocaine. It is smoked. Within 10 seconds of smoking, it shows the effect of well-being or high. High at the inverted comma and well-being or high. Within 3 to 5 minutes, its effects will reduce. Within 3 to 5 minutes, its effects will reduce. And there is intense craving for the drug. And there is intense craving. Andre beku beku anta ansak shuru agbidutte anta. Intense craving for the drug. ಆಯ್ತಾ? Next word, betel nut. Betel nut. ಯಾರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಲ್ಲ ಸಂಜಯ್ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್, betel nut. It is the seed of areca nut plant. Named, I'll write the name of that, named Areca catechu. We call it as, its biological name is Areca catechu. Okay. So betel nut ಏನಂದ್ರೆ is from Areca catechu, from family Palmae or Ericaceae. Family Ericaceae. Family Ericaceae. Next, this is chewed along with betel leaves. This is chewed along with betel leaves. It is a mild stimulant of central nervous system. It's a mild stimulant of central nervous CNS, central nervous system. Sanjay is there? Yes or no? Say something, Sanjay. Name is name bandidilla. Okay. Next, mild stimulant of CNS. It also contains a type of tannin. It also contains a type of tannin, T-A-N-N-I-N, tannin. That results in coloring of teeth. Coloring of teeth. ಹಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಕೆಂಪಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಬೀಟಲ್ ಎಲೆ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬರೀ ಅಡಿಕೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೂ ಕೆಂಪಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹಲ್ಲು. Okay, next. Now I'll give you something. Amphetamines ಅಂತ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ. So let me give you something, last one, about the amphetamines. These are actually synthetic drugs, not from the plant they are extracted. They are commonly called as pep pills. Pep pills antare illandre anti-sleep drugs antare, anti-sleep pills antare. Anti-sleep pills are ide bardangiruvanta pills. Normally it is used by, most of the time they're given it as students. Those who want to study a whole night and all, they use this anta. Apart from that, they are used by lorry drivers. Those who want to drive, a whole night and day and all, they'll be driving. For them, they will use this. So to achieve that target at right time, they will be using these tablets and driving whole day, night. So most of the time, this will affect their vision. Most of the time, it will lead to the road accidents. Mainly, this is because of this only they'll get into road accidents. Actually, this is also used as a medicine for the patients from asthma patients. They use this for inhalation. They'll use it pump like thing. They use amphetamines. So this is actually improving the alertness. This helps in alertness. Alertness means they'll remain awake for a long time. And it is also medicine used in asthmatic patients because they will have a lot of sleep problems and they will have the respiratory issues. They will give in the form of pumps, or sometimes they'll give it in the form of pills, so that they'll be alert and their asthmatic problem will reduce. Okay, did you understand this? Write down amphetamines. Amphetamines. These are commonly called as, what do we call them? Call them as securities and Kirtana. I didn't understand. What is securities? I didn't understand. That Kirtana, which college you are from? Oxford ansatala. Securities andre artha agilla nange. Watchmans ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ ಅಂತನಾ? ಇರಬಹುದೇನೋ. Watchmans ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ anti-sleep pills ಅವಲ್ಲ. Correct. Pep pills, anti-sleep pills. Security guards ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಏನೋ. But mostly ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, security guards ಬೆಳಿಗ್ಗೆ ಮನೆ ಬಂದು ಮಲ್ಕೋತಾರೆ, ಆಚೆ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್, ಲಾರಿ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ದು ಕೂತ್ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ they will take it. Okay, write down pep pill. They are also called as, they are synthetic drugs commonly called as pep pills ಅಥವಾ anti-sleep drugs or pills. Next, these provide alertness. These provide alertness, reduce sleep, provide alertness, reduce sleep, boost self confidence. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಏನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸಕ್ ಶುರು ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗಿವ್ಸ್ ಫ್ಲೋ ಆಫ್ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್. ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ new ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಬರ್ತಂತೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಹಂಗೇನೋ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಗಳು. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಊಟ ತಿಂಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಆಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆನೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಐಡಿಯಾಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? ಬಟ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಎಟ್ ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್. ಬೂಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ and flow of ideas. They increase the physical and mental performance. Increase the physical and mental performance. The physical, or strong answer. Mental, they'll feel they are strong. Physical and mental performance. They are used by normally truck drivers, students, and night workers. You can write that also. Watchmen, night workers, like watchmen. You can write that. Night workers like watchmen. Next paragraph. Medically, amphetamines are used to reduce cold. Medically, amphetamines are used to reduce cold and asthma. They are normally inhaled through the spray. They are normally inhaled through the spray. Anta spray ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಬಾಯಿನಲ್ಲಿ, right? Normally inhaled through spray. Okay. Next point. These are mostly used in sports personalities, persons or personalities, to improve their performance, but are detected in dope testing. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಯೂರಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ. ಡೋಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್, DOPE ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೋಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ. ಬರೆದ್ರ ಡೋಪ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. These also reduce the hunger. Therefore, they are used in normal people to reduce their weight. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಶಿಯಂ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಜನಗಳು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಂತ, ಸಾದಾ ಜನಗಳು ದುಮ್ಮಿ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Okay. They also used to reduce normal people to reduce their weight. ಬರದ್ರಾ? Okay. Now I will talk something about the hallucinogens. Hallucinogens ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ? ಕೆಲವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಡೌಟ್. Hallucinogens. Okay, I'll just write it something about hallucinogens. Later I'll give you points. Hallucinogens. So as the name indicates, they induce hallucination. Hallucination andre the person will feel some unusual sounds and unusual pictures in front of him. There are all illusions. He'll see some illusions. Illusions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ವಿಚಿತ್ರವಾಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಂಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಲುಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಇಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. It may be good or it may be bad. ದೆವ್ವನೇ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. It may be a big devil coming and eating you, or it may be beautiful thing happening, nice thing happening, everything. It's an illusion. Unusual sound will be heard and unusual things are observed in front of you. That is what we call the hallucination. Hallucination that is induced by hallucinogens, right? So a lot of such hallucinogens are there. One is called as LSD, right? LSD is called lysergic acid diethyl amide. This is called LSD. So LSD is the powdery thing. It is actually extracted from the fungus commonly called as Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea, or we call this as ergot fungus. Common name is ergot fungus. It will affect actually rye andre RYE. ರೈ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂಥರ ಬಾರ್ಲಿ ತರ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಾರ್ಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಿಂಗ ಸ್ಪರ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಬಾರ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ತರ ನಮ್ದು ಒಂದು ಇದಿರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಗೋಧಿ ತರ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಫಂಗಸ್ ಬೆಳೀತದೆ ಈ ಮಧ್ಯ. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾವಿಸೆಪ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಪೂರಿಯಾ. ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ರಾಟ್ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಫಂಗಸ್ ಹೆಸರು ಎರ್ಗಾಟ್ ಫಂಗಸ್. ರೈ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಇದು, right? This is producing LSD. From that it is extracted. It is called LSD, lysergic acid diethyl amide. The strong hallucination comes with this hallucinogens. It is the strong hallucinogen is LSD. Okay, Claviceps purpurea ಏನದು? It's a type of fungi commonly called as ergot fungi. It causes the disease in rye plants on its the female flower and female flower inflorescence will cause the disease, right? So ergot disease anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Ergot disease ತುಂಬಾ problematic disease ಅದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು they are extracted LSD. LSD is a major hallucinogen. Did you understand this? Okay, fine. Right now, hallucinogens. Feelings are controlled. Hallucination, seeing what is not there. Correct, Nisarga? Correct. What you said is right. It is not there. Feelings are controlled. Feelings are controlled and then gottagi Lakshmi nage. Controlled alla, uncontrolled feelings avella. Right? Right now, hallucinogens or they're called PSC, psychedelic drugs. Psychedelic means psychodilation. Psychedelic drugs. PSY, psyche. PSY. PSYCH. Psychedelic drugs ಅಂತಾರೆ ಅಥವಾ hallucinogens. Biologically effect ಮೇಲೆ ನಾನು hallucinogens ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. otherwise called psychedelic drugs. I repeat. Wait. I told you, write the heading. Hallucinogens ಅಥವಾ psychedelic drugs. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಿರೋದು ನಾನು, ಮತ್ತೇನು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. These are the drugs that act on central nervous system. Now I am saying you repeat, I need not repeat now. These are the drugs that act on central nervous system and they alter the feelings and perceptions. They alter the feelings and perceptions. Perceptions ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ modify ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. Feelings and perceptions. They are called psychedelic drugs because they cause optical illusions and auditory hallucinations. Optical illusions. Optical ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೇನೋ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. So they cause optical illusions and they also cause auditory hallucinations. Auditory ಕೇಳಿಸೋದು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಂತ. Auditory hallucinations ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಪ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೂ ಏನೇನೋ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ವಾ. sometimes they feel kind of horse is coming, or there is a rainbow in front of them, or there may be a devil in front of them. So all those are the hallucinations, illusions. ಏನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೋ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬರುತ್ತದೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಡಿಟರಿ illusions. ಆಡಿಟರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. like so many times ಏನೋ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅದು ತರ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಕೇಳ್ತು, ಏನೋ ಬಂದಂಗಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ. Maybe some of them are drug addicts also. You don't know. Some people will write such things, you know. They say that there's some new things, some types of sounds are heard, some animal sounds, some different sounds. There are auditory hallucinations. illade iro tara sounds kelutte anta. Then visual illusions kanmunde nange endentado kanta irtade. Right? You are there in front of me, right in front of me, but in between me people there will be something else, like one screen. Something else will be running in front of me. Like I feel that somebody else is, like one person is coming and talking to me who is not there in this world. Right? So these are all called as a visual illusions. Kannali nodde iruvanta vishayagalu kaanake shuru ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. That's called visual illusions. Okay? Written it? I repeat here. I repeat. So what did I tell you? They are called psychedelic drugs because they cause optical illusions or optical hallucinations. Optical illusions ಬರುತ್ತೆ, hallucinations ಬರುತ್ತೆ. hallucination ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದು, illusions ಅಂದ್ರೆ imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋದು. Optical illusions or hallucinations and auditory hallucinations or illusions. Auditory hallucinations or illusions. That is, they give the perception. They give the perception. No, mama. No, Samyak. Schizophrenia is psychological disorder. ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ ಯಾರೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರದ್ರ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಂದು ಹಳೆಯವರು. ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ. ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್, ಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಡಿಸಾರ್ಡರ್. ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಬೇರೆ ಲೋಕ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದ ಹೆಲುಸಿನೇಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಲುಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ನೆನಪು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅದು ನೆನಪು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಕೀಪ್ ಸ್ಪೀಕಿಂಗ್, ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸಿಜೋಫ್ರೀನಿಯಾ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ they show perception of having unusual external objects, or sounds that are not actually present. ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. that are not actually present. Every time they get same hallucination. No, different. There is a different world. Don't worry about that. Just I am saying they will get some different world only. They may get one time a beautiful girl, one time they may get one ghost. Okay, it's not the same thing every time. So every time based on the amount they are taking in. Some movie ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾವ, ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಆಡೋದು, ಏನೋ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಿಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾಕೆ? That is because of the hallucinations. Okay, next, write down. These illusions may be pleasant ones or may be unpleasant also. Pleasant ones or may be unpleasant also. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗೋದು ಇರಬಹುದು, ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. Pleasant ones or maybe unpleasant ones. Types of hallucinogens. First one, LSD. What is the LSD? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. LSD is nothing but lysergic acid diethyl amide. AMIDE ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು, AMIDE amide. LSD, lysergic acid diethyl amide. It is extracted from a type of fungi called ergot. It is extracted from a type of fungi called ergot, which is biologically called Claviceps purpurea. Claviceps purpurea. The fungus ergot, small drawing ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಗೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ. The fungus cause type of disease in rye plant, RYE, rye plant. Type of disease in rye plant called Rye-Smut disease, SMUT, called Rye-Smut disease, SMUT, Rye-Smut disease. Rye-Smut disease. Write down. LSD causes nightmare. Nightmare ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Nightmares ಅಂದ್ರೆ horrible dreams, bad dreams, horrible dreams, ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗಿರೋ dreams ಅಂತ. Nightmares ಅಥವಾ in the bracket right, bad dreams or horrible dreams. Good. Scary dreams, correct, correct. Bad dreams ಹಂಗಾರು ಬರುತ್ತವೆ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಭಯ ಪಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರೋಗೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೇನೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I think you all get it, no? When you were kids and all, suppose something you horrible you see, now also they'll come to you, right? Nightmares ಯಾವಾಗಾರು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. Horrible dreams. Next. LSD gives the effect of hallucination of light weightedness, hallucination of light weightedness ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಗುರವಾದಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. Light weightedness and floating sensation. Floating sensation ಗಾಳಿಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾರ್ದಂಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ. Floating sensation. Okay, written. It causes severe damage to the CNS. It causes severe damage to CNS and results in death. It causes severe damage to central nervous system, CNS, and cause death. Cause death. Next point. Medicinally, LSD is used to reduce bleeding. Medicinally, LSD is used to reduce bleeding and excessive bleeding during menstrual cycle. Excessive bleeding during menstrual cycle. Excessive bleeding during menstrual cycle. It's also used as a treatment to migraine. It's also used as a treatment to migraine. Migraine headache ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Migraine ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Done? So LSD ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ LSD ದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. Now I'll talk something about the cannabinoids, right? What is it cannabinoid? I'll just explain you. Okay. These are also a kind of hallucinogens, right? But they are very popular, that's why I'm writing it. Cannabinoids. Okay. These are extracted actually. Listen to me properly. These are extracted from the plant Cannabis sativa or Cannabis ಇಂಡಿಕಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನಿಂದ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ ಟು ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಬಿನಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಕ್ಯಾನಾಬಿನೇಸಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಹೆಂಪ್. ಹೆಂಪ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಈ ಥ್ರೆಡ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಜೂಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಹೆಂಪ್ ಅದು, ರೈಟ್? ಇದರ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ನ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ದೇ ಪುಟ್ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ what you call rotten, they'll take it out and they produce some hemp, andre threads and all they'll be preparing from this, right? This cannabis indica and all, and both of them, this is, they are producing very important drugs like bhang, ganja, charas. These are the major ones which are very common in most of the places and even in India, right? Bhang and all, they are used by a lot of people, like, you know, those roam around and all, they act like somewhat madly and all. They use bhang, ganja and charas, and another one is hashish. These are all produced from the same plant, Cannabis sativa or Cannabis indica. Come to bhang, this is prepared from the female inflorescence, and they take the extract of that. They will make it bhang and all, and they put it in the type of sweets and all. They make some of the holy and all. They take bhang, I think, right? Bhang andre idರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ, right? That's a bhang. Actually, it also is a hallucinogen, right? After having that, they will all behave differently. You would have seen, right? Ganja is actually, I think they are smoked. They're smoked. It's extract of the resin from the female inflorescence taken, and it is smoked, right? Then charas is more stronger than all these. It will be very fast giving hallucination effects, right? Along tobacco, they chew it. Hashish is used in other countries more, not in India, right? But these two are very common in India, bhang and charas, right? So charas is smoked one, bhang is mixed with some food things, and they will drink it, right? So let's talk about these and we'll finish this chapter. Only after this we'll talk about the alcohol, other effects, then we'll close this chapter. Is it fine? Fine, right? Yes, correct, Shweta, you said it right. Like milk type, I don't know what kind, I never seen it, dear Rufia. I don't know how it is, milk type eno gottilla. With lassi they use, I don't know, but during Holi I have heard they prepare some payasam and all, they'll drink. They drink bhang. Yeah, I heard bhang and all, they use it. But whatever it is, you don't write only these, so many things I told, this is very common in northern states. Houdu northern states use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂಥರ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್, isn't it? ಒಂಥರ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಹೋಲಿ ದೇ ಯೂಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೋಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್. ಚರಸ್ ಮರ್ಜು ಹಣ ಇದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಶ್ವೇತಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಇನ್ ಪಂಜಾಬ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಫುಲ್ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂವಿ ಉಡ್ತಾ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಮೂವಿ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಉಡ್ತಾ ಪಂಜಾಬ್ ಬರೀ ಇದೆ, ಏನೇನ್ ತರದ್ದು ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಜನಗಳು, ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಮಜಾ ಏನೋ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೈ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್. ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಯೂತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಂತಾರೆ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಏನಾಗ್ಬೋದು ಕುತೂಹಲ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್, ಬಾಡಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇಟ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಗ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಆಗದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಗೆ ಎದಳಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. I want to have it, then only I will start my work, regular work ಅಂತ ಇನ್ನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಕುತೂಹಲಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತಾನೂ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ತ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ದೆನ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ, hallucination ಹೆಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್, ಯು ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ತಂಗಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಯಾರು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ಗೆ, somebody else will be seen, something else will be happening in front of you, you will be in a different world. It's a total escapism from the regular life. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಓದಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ನೀವು ತಲೆ ಕೆಡ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಡಿ. ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಓದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇದ್ರ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓದ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್, ರೈಟ್? Cannabinoids heading. Now, once you said in first PUC that you will say about dreams, how it comes, Please say about that one day, man. I Prakriti ಹೇಳೋಣ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಗುಡ್. ಏನೋ ನೆನ್ಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಾರಿಬಲ್ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ಸ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾರ್ಮಲಿ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೈಟ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಡ್ರೀಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ಗೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ. Normal people, when you sleep, almost at that time at 4, after 4 o'clock, body get alertness. Mind, ನಮ್ದು ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಬಯೋಲಾಜಿಕಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅದು ಆನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 4:05 ನೀನ್ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಲ್ವಾ, when you are sleeping, that will get activated and start making some stories. That's how you get dreams. Normally dreams ಅಲ್ಲಿ unusual ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದವ್ರು ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ತುಂಬಾ ರೇರ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. And there is everything happening in life only you will get. Maybe you have seen in the movie, you have seen in the TV, you might have seen next to your neighbors or something. Those things only will come. Nothing is something like ghost or bandire andre chikkol iddange yavaga hindukondidiye anta ghost barutte. Otherwise there is nothing called ghost you wouldn't have seen. Yening andre Ramya, yening andre I didn't understand. Okay, now so what I am talking is dreams are different. I am talking about these are unusual people, right? Right, heading cannabinoids. Written the spelling cannabinoids. Board ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. Okay, ಆ cannabinoid spelling ಬರೀರಿ. Okay, fine. ಬರ್ದ್ರಾ? Cannabinoids are the products of a type of hemp plant. Cannabinoids are the type of products of hemp plant. Hemp, H-E-M-P. Hemp plant. There are 4 major drugs in this. Bhang, ganja, charas and marijuana. Marijuana. Not hashish. Veda. 4 major ones ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ನಾನು. And marijuana. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ marijuana ಅಂತಾರೆ, marijuana ಅಂತಾರೆ, marijuana ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. marijuana 4 drugs main ones. ಓಕೆ, ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 4 drugs marijuana. All these drugs are extracted from 2 types of plants, Cannabis sativa and Cannabis indica. All these drugs are extracted from the 2 plants, Cannabis sativa, Cannabis indica. Cannabis sativa and Cannabis indica. Okay, right now. Next to right. These hemp drugs effects. Sorry, write the heading effects. Effects and the very right now. These hemp drugs, hemp andre ide Cannabis sativa ಮತ್ತೆ Cannabis indica hemp ante. These hemp drugs dilate the pupils. Dilate the pupils. Already I told you, dilate the pupils. The pupil is struggle out with it. Dilate the pupils. ಇದಲ್ಲ pupils ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಇರ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ that widen up. Dilate the pupil, increase the heart rate, increases the heart rate, increase frequent urination, increase the or frequent urination, or increase the frequency of urination, increase the frequency of urination. Next, hallucinations, hallucinations. Maradra? Cause lightheadedness. Andre ಹಗುರವಾಗಿರೋದು ಹಾರಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಂಗೆ. Cause lightheadedness. Next, dry mouth, lack of salivation, dry mouth, lack of salivation, drowsiness, drowsiness, and continuous laughing. ಸುಮ್ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಉಚಿತರ. Continuous laughing. Okay. Next, right? One by one. Bhang. Number one, bhang. It is prepared from the leaves and male female inflorescence. Male and female inflorescence of hemp plant, Cannabis indica. Cannabis indica. Bhang produced by the indica in the name. Not sativa, Cannabis indica. Next. It is used as an ingredient for a sweet drink. It is used as an ingredient in a sweet drink. Sweet drink ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಸ ತರ ಏನೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. Sweet drink. It causes lightheadedness and foolish laughter. It causes lightheadedness and foolish laughter. So there is ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಕಾರಣ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ನಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ foolish laughter ಅಂತಾರೆ. Foolish laughter. Madra. Finished writing? ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಗರು ಎದ್ದಿದಾರ ಮಲಗಿದಾರ? Are you all awake? Very good. Fine. Next. Ganja. Okay, good. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬೈದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತೀರ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Tell me the last sentence. Yes ma'am ಬೇಡ. Tell me write last sentence. Yes ma'am easy ಅಲ್ವಾ ಬರೆಯೋದು. Last sentence ನೋಡೋಣ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Let me check. Yeah, they show foolish laughter. ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದಿನ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಜಿತ್. Lightheadedness and foolish laughter. Good, good, good. ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ. Confirmation test. Okay, next. Okay, done. Fine. Next, right? Ganja. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜಾಣರಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಮ್ರತಾ, ಕೀರ್ತನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್, ನೈಸ್. You're all awake. Good. Right, our next one. It is a resin extract. It is a resin extract from dried unfertilized female flowers. Resin extract from dried unfertilized female flowers. Unfertilized female flowers of cannabis sativa. This is cannabis sativa. Unfertilized female flowers of cannabis sativa. It is a resin extract of unfertilized dried female flowers of cannabis sativa. Underline my full sentence in keltar. Yadrinda tayar ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. Okay, next. It is smoked in cigarettes. It is smoked in cigarettes. It acts faster than bhang. It acts faster than bhang. Next. Charas. It is a pure resin of female flowers. Pure resin of female flowers. It is smoked along with tobacco. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ. It is called as hashish in America. ಈ ಚರಸ್ಗೆನೆ hashish ಅಂತ ಅಮೆರಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Both are same. It is called as hashish. Hashish. Hashish in America. Next, marijuana. Marijuana. Spelling ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Marijuana ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Marijuana ಅಂತಾರೆ. Marijuana. Marijuana. It is the extraction from the female flowers of cannabis sativa. Extraction from female flowers of cannabis sativa. Next, effects of marijuana. Effects of marijuana. It affects the short-term memory. Short-term memory, long-term memory ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಶಾರ್ಟ್-ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಲಾಂಗ್-ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆನಪಿದೆಯಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಶಾರ್ಟ್-ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ, ಲಾಂಗ್-ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You remember? Anybody? You don't remember or you remember? Listen, short-term memory, anything you remember just now. Okay, I say this pen I showed you, or this is black color and it has something written here. This is once I told, I kept it. Okay, it goes to the cerebral cortex. Cerebral cortex cerebrum na cortex ಇದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ 10 ಸರ್ತಿ ನೋಡೋದು, ಹಾ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇದು ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೆಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಿಂಗೆಲ್ಲ 10 ಸರ್ತಿ 100 ಸರ್ತಿ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ that memory will enter the cerebral medulla, internal area ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ you will never forget, oh this pen I had got it, it was like this. That becomes a long term memory. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ನಾವು ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಬಯಾಲಜಿದು, ಇದು ಈಗ ನೆನಪಿರ್ತದೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದಿನ ನಾಳೆ ನೆನಪಿರ್ತದೆ. Then unless you read it again and again, it will not reach the internal area. ಮೇಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅದು. Only when you revise it, recall it, you will not get it again. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಲೇಟರ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ರಿವೈಸಿಂಗ್. ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದ್ಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓದ್ಬೇಕು ಬರೀ. ಬಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಹಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್, ರೀಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಅಂತ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೆರೆಬ್ರಲ್ ಮೆಡ್ಯುಲಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ಗೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಟೈಮ್, ರೈಟ್? ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಕಣ್ಣು ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಬ್ರಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ನಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮೆಮರಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Because it is a routine for us. Therefore, the things will become long-term memories only when you do it again and again, revise it again and again, like it. Nutmeg do cause hallucination. Nutmeg andre exactly nange gottilla kana. Nutmeg andre yadu? I don't know actually. Nutmeg causes jayapatri adena. Nutmeg andre jayapatri anತಾರೆ, ಜಾಕಾಯಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಟ್ಮೆಗ್. ಜೀವಿಕಾ should tell me, others should tell me. ನಟ್ಮೆಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಕಾಯಿನ. ಜಾಕಾಯಿಯಿಂದ ಹೆಲ್ಯೂಸಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸೆಡೇಟಿವ್ ಅದು. ಅದನ್ನ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು. ವೆನೆವರ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಕ್ರೈ, ತುಂಬಾ ಅಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜಾಕಾಯಿನ ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ತೇದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಅಣಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಬ್ರೈನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. They'll become light-headed and they don't come to this world properly. They cannot understand. They may get suffer from nervous disorders. Actually, ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಕಾಯಿನ ಹಾಕೋದು, ಈ ಪಾಯಸಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪಾಯಸ ಲಾಡುಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಕಾಯಿ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ, ಜಾಪತ್ರೆ ಜಾಕಾಯಿ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳ್ಳೇದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. So anything which is unusual should not be used. ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರಿಯಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಅಥವಾ ಅನ್ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಫೀಲಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಅಂತ, ರೈಟ್? ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಎದ್ದು ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಆಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನಟ್ಮೆಗ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಅದು ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಕಾಯಿ ಪತ್ರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೆನಪಿದೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀರಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಲಿಗೆ ಅಣಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಸರಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ಬಟ್ ಅದು ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿನೇ ಚಂದ, ಹಗ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ದಡ್ಡ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಆಮೇಲೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ marijuana effects ಬರೆದ್ರ, it affects the short term memory, comma, it gives a feeling of relaxation, and it relieves the anxiety. Relaxation, it relieves the anxiety. It also affects the sex hormones. It also affects the sex hormones. And it retards menstrual bleeding. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ menstrual bleeding. It retards the menstrual bleeding. And it suppresses the immune system. The immunity against any disease is lost. It suppresses the immune system. So ಇಷ್ಟು ಸಾಕು ನಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್? Just see the time. We have still 10 minutes ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. other effects of alcohol. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ drugs ಮುಗಿತು. Okay, so completed that syllabus, only alcohol ಬರ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿನ, then we'll go to the next chapter. Okay, chapter by chapter ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಈಗ. ಟಕ್ 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 ಅಂತ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Write the heading. ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ alcohol, ma'am, what does methamphetamine do? Methamphetamine. See, this is the first one only I told you, methamphetamine and tell you. These are all the starting ones I told you. What is that? They are coming under first type of drugs. What did I give you? Sedatives. Transcend, yeah, not a transcend matter. Not transcend matter with alcohol effects barkomedi. Other effects of alcohol. Okay. Methamphetamines. Okay, write the effects of alcohol. Note ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. What about adolescence? Adolescence ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಒಂದು 4 ಲೈನ್ ಬರೆಸ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅಡಲಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕದು, ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ತರಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. ಏನಿವೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸೆಂಡ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಡಲಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಬ್ರು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಡಲಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮಿಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್. ಅದರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಬರ್ದಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. The remaining effects of alcohol ಅಂತ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಾ? Okay, now what I told you about the heart effects of alcohol on the cerebrum I told you. Cerebrum ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು? Alcohol helps in, or it will cause cerebral problems, and all I told you what all happens because of alcohol. Now we go to the liver. Liver ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? Liver will have one important function. ಏನು liver function normally? Liver function ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? Converting glucose into glycogen by insulin. ಹೌದಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ಸ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ alcohol he starts intake of alcohol, it will convert maximum alcohol into fats, lipids, stores it, and it will leave that original function. Original function ಏನು converting glucose into glycogen ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಮೇನ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. It will stop that function and continuously it will act like a storage house for fat. ಎಲ್ಲ liver cells ಎಲ್ಲ fat ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿರುತ್ತೆ and they will break open. That's how liver fails. It's called the liver cirrhosis, right? Other effects ಅಂದ್ರೆ urination increase ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, kidney ಅಲ್ಲಿ maximum water content will be lost, right? And apart from that, heat effects, nasal cilia get paralyzed, taste buds will go, then alimentary canal, there is secretion of excessive gastric juices causing stomach ulcers. All that I have told you. Adolescence ನಾಳೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಹಾಕು, ನಾಳೆ ಸಂಜೆ ಹೊತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ಒಂದು 10 ಲೈನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಕು. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಅದರ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್. ನರ್ವಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ, ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲ್ ಆನ್ ಲಿವರ್. ಇನ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಲಿವರ್ is involved in glycogenesis, that is converting excessive glucose into glycogen. But in alcoholics it will produce one toxic substance, acetaldehyde. In alcoholics it produces one toxic substance, acetaldehyde, using alcohol. Next, liver begins to produce fats from alcohol. Fat from alcohol. Increased fat production affects glycogenesis. Increased fat production affects glycogenesis. And thus, liver acts as a storage house for fat. Even repeat ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Ma'am, repeat the last point. Okay. Excess fat formation reduces glycogenesis. I am repeating. Excess fat formation reduces fat formation. Reduces glycogenesis. I'm sorry. Reduces glycogenesis. Comma. Increases the fat deposition. And becomes storage house for fat. Storage house for fat. Full stop. This results in liver cirrhosis. This results in liver cirrhosis. CIRRHOSIS, cirrhosis. Next, one more line, right? Drinking and driving. Drinking affects, first one, ability of judging the distance. Drinking and driving male barkomadi. Drinking affects, first one, affects the judgment of distance. Next, reduces the alertness. Reduces the alertness about the other objects. Alertness about the other objects outside the vehicle. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಏನಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಲೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Alertness about the other objects outside the vehicle. Reduces the coordination of limb muscles. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ ಕಡೆ ಟರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಬೇಗ ತಲೆ ಓಡಲ್ಲ. Reduces the alertness, coordination of limb muscles. Coordination limb ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲು ಒತ್ತಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ, ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. Coordination of the limb muscles. Reduce the coordination of limb muscles. Vision get blurred or double vision. Vision get blurred or double vision. Slows the response of unexpected situations. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡ್ಡ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಬೇಕು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ. Slows the response of unexpected situations. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Next, one more thing. Alcoholics drive rash, carelessly. Rash and carelessly. Thus, alcoholic person is considered to be sick. Alcoholic person is considered to be sick and must not be allowed to drive any vehicle. Must not be allowed to drive any vehicle. Alcoholic person should be considered as sick. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಗ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. And must not be allowed to drive any vehicle. ಸ್ಕೂಟರ್ ಹೋಗಲಿ ಸೈಕಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಕಾರ್ ಅಂತೂ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಬರ್ದ್ರಾ? That's done. Then only we are going to talk in the next class about what? Adolescence. In 5 minutes ಹೇಳಿ. We'll start tomorrow the Transcend book. Is it fine? All of you? Fine then. Time ಇದೆಯಾ? ಆಗೋಯ್ತಾ time? 2 minutes ಇದೆ. Okay, fine then. See you. Bye dear. Bye bye. Enjoy the day. Be happy. Be healthy. Okay. Thank you.